Hi, if you want to remove Samsung account from your Samsung Galaxy S25, then you need to navigate to your settings first. In here, find this tab Accounts and Backup, and then choose to manage your accounts and find your Samsung one. So I want you to tap on your Samsung account, and then on the bottom of the display you will see this option to remove it. So tap it and confirm that it will also delete all of its contacts, calendars and other data from this phone, but the data will remain in the account and can be accessed by signing in again. So tap remove, and here tap to sign out. Then you need to enter password from your Samsung account to verify that it's you and tap OK. So let me just quickly enter password and get back to you. So I just entered my password and now tap OK, and that's it, you're signed out. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.